How to subscribe to Teji Mandi app. Enter your contact number for OTP verification. Once you receive the message, enter the OTP. Enter your details here like first name, last name and your email ID. Now let's start with your risk assessment. Enter your date of birth and then press confirm. Answer a few risk assessment questions to complete the process. Once you're done with your risk assessment, now select your subscription plan from 149 rupees per month for 6 months or 199 rupees a month for 3 months or 249 rupees for 1 month. Enter your PAN number to verify your information. Enter the OTP received on your mail to verify your email ID. Now choose your desired mode of payment. You are now subscribed to Teji Mandi Portfolio. It's that simple. Reach out to us on support@tejimandi.com for any further assistance.